Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams I do on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, we do have a couple options, just like the pound dollar, or just like the euro dollar that is on the monthly time frame. This could be an A, this could be a B, and it could go down for a C before it actually does go up. To me, it still kind of seems like that's not the case, because if this really is a wave C, it shouldn't make a big old crescent in the middle like that. So I still suspect that this eventually could just be a crescent within an uptrend, and it may end up doing something like that. Either way, we're just going to go with the flow on sort of time frame, so it's not too big of a deal. Going down to the weekly, on the weekly time frame, we still don't have a confirmed turn. We still don't even have a break of structure. This thing could easily reject structure and just keep on trending up. So the trend is definitely still up on the weekly and the monthly time frame. Going down to the daily time frame. Now, on the daily time frame, this is definitely a downtrend right here. I would definitely assume that this is either a wave A or a wave 1. Now, if we do get a break of structure on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame, I'm definitely going to start looking for longs. And while I'm looking for longs, I'm going to expect it to make either a wave B or a wave 2. But instead of making a B or 2, if it just keeps on going up like that, while I'm looking for longs on sort of time frames, that's going to be like a bonus trade. But I would expect the next move up to be a crescent to this move down, either a wave B or a wave 2. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, kind of painfully slow on the dollar pairs this week, but I mean it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. We need to see a breaker structure to the upside to prove this first downtrend is over, which like I said, is likely either an A or a 1. Once we get that breaker structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for buys. I would likely expect this move up to be a crescent to this move down like I showed on the daily time frame. But if for whatever reason it just continues the uptrend and we're looking for longs on sort of time frames, if anything, that's just going to make us more money. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, very, 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 very slow price action. Kind of looks like it could be trying to form an ending diagonal. I mean, maybe this is the wave 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4, and it goes down for a 5. Because a wave 1 and an ending diagonal should be the biggest wave. Either way, whatever it decides to do, I'm going to continue to look for shorts on these sort of time frames until we get a break of this structure. I will not be trading the first impulse to move up, but once it breaks structure, I will definitely be looking for longs from that point on. And like I said, I would expect it after the break of structure for it to be either a wave B or a wave 2. But there's always a chance it just continues the uptrend, because sometimes what we think is a wave B or 2 is actually the continuation of the uptrend when the trend is still up on the very high time frames. So once we get that break of structure, I'll definitely turn into a buyer. I would expect it to be a crescent to the move down, but if it's not, that's like a bonus trade. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.